Smart building solutions by nature must be scalable. But what does that mean? In its simplest terms, for a solution to be scalable, it means four things. First, it must be capable of working with one building or an entire portfolio of assets. Second, it must be technically designed to handle the task efficiently and securely. Third, it should be flexible to grow and accomplish tasks outside of its initial use case. And lastly, it must be affordable regardless of project size. But now the bigger question, how do you scale your smart building strategy? I'd like to propose 5 ways KMC Commander can help you. Number 1, know that KMC Commander can easily and efficiently be installed at smaller locations, giving you cloud-based monitoring and control with relatively little effort. As an affordable solution, KMC Commander is a great fit for quick service restaurants, small office spaces, and retail locations. And since it can sit on top of most systems in the field, you can keep the existing building automation infrastructure in place and keep the overall project costs low. Number 2, because KMC Commander brings all your data visualization and control to the cloud, the achieved wins at one small location can be duplicated and aggregated across a regional or national account. Bank branches, fast food chains, and retail establishments can better maintain their facilities and customer experiences while also increasing efficiency around maintenance schedules. Number 3, when determining your overall strategy, it's important to look beyond a single use case or solution provider. The best strategies are the ones that are well thought out. By solving an immediate need now with the knowledge of a long-term ROI initiative, you can better plan your project and execute as time and budget allows. KMC Commander is flexible enough to give you schedules, trends, and alarms now while being a long-term partner in your IoT strategy in the future. Number 4, it's important to use the data you are pulling out of your buildings. While you can scale KMC Commander wide across dozens or hundreds of buildings, you could also scale it deep into the buildings themselves. Add-ons and integration partners is the way to do that, pushing data into security platforms, expert analytics partners, specialized indoor air quality systems, and more. Because of KMC Commander's fully documented and supported API, we work with the best vendors in the industry to drive overall value. And lastly, number 5, a common problem with IoT solutions is they are too niche, they're too focused, and they're too small. In fact, they're siloed. They have features that seem robust for the task they were installed for, but fences that are hard to reach through or climb over when it comes to integration. With KMC Commander, the possibilities are endless and ultimately limited only by your imagination. This means that no IoT strategy or goal is too lofty or too big. Through integration partners, high-touch collaboration, and a growing list of channel deployment partners, your IoT projects can become a reality with KMC Commander. And remember, our team stands ready to help you every step of the way. If you're interested in learning more about how to scale your KMC Commander solutions or your smart building strategies, check out our webinar. Also, check out our entire library of videos on our YouTube channel. And to learn about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.